If you're looking to cut your cell phone bill without losing reliable coverage, Mint Mobile has become one of the most talked about budget carriers because it runs on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G and 4G LTE network. So in most urban and suburban areas, speeds and coverage are solid. Where Mint stands out is pricing. Plans start at around $15 a month, which is amazing, for 5 gigabytes of data. But here's the catch. You have to prepay for 3 months, 6 or 12 at a time to get that rate. The more months you buy up front, the more you save. On the pro side, you get free calls to Canada and to Mexico, unlimited talk and text in the US, and hotspot usage is included. Mint also supports Wi-Fi calling and eSIM activation for newer phones. Customer service is fully online or over the phone. The setup is straightforward, especially if you're bringing your own device. There are trade-offs, though. And what are these trade-offs? It's prepaid, so you have to front the full cost of service in one payment, which can feel a little steep at times. Data speeds can slow during peak congestion since Mint customers are deprioritized behind T-Mobile's direct subscribers. Also, if you want to commit month to month, Mint isn't really built for that. You'll pay more per month without a long-term plan. Now for the savings. If you're currently paying $60 or more a month for a major carrier plan, switching to Mint's annual 15 gigabyte or unlimited plan could save you $400 to $500 a year. Even factoring in the upfront payment, the yearly cost is often less than 3 months of service on some post-paid carriers. For light to moderate data users who don't mind paying ahead, Mint Mobile can be a no-brainer. If you stream a ton on mobile data, or you live in a rural area with spotty T-Mobile coverage, you might want to test it with their 3-month starter plan first before committing.